everybody, it's Premier Gal here, and I'm here at the NAB Show in Las Vegas. I'm going to pop inside the convention center, walk around, ask people to see how their show is going, as well as check out some of the latest video products. Let's go. What is NAB Show in your own words?
100,000. It's crazy. I don't know.
NAB Show is like a Pinterest board of everything awesome to do with video.
It's great.
It's been great. It's been long, and my voice normally isn't this raspy.
All the new gear, all the new stuff.
If you can lie down, lie down.
NAB Show is all about the people.
Conserve your energy for the important things because there is a lot going on here.
I mean, this is huge, but it's actually so small.
And go to the parties because there are cool people everywhere.
And then after this, I'm going to give you some tips on just how to excel in Premiere Pro. So like different plugins that I use to speed up the process and how to use the Essential Graphics panel, how to create sequence presets, editing folder structures. So let me just play this and then we'll get into it.
So this is the new GorillaPod rig. We call it, looks like a GorillaPod that's grown arms. The great thing about it is it's our 5K kit, the base kit, so it's your biggest kit, so you can definitely put a DSLR on here, you can put a mirrorless on here. It comes with these groovy arms, and it actually comes with 2 cold shoes, so you can put a microphone on there, you can put a light on there. It also comes with a GoPro mount, so you can put the GoPro mount on there. Has the extra straps, so like once your rig is on, you can actually throw it over your shoulder and kind of go with it, which is really kind of nice. It also adds stability, so if you're putting it around like a larger pole or something like that, you can like wrap the strap around there as well as do the legs around it, so that really is helpful. A lot of people are using it kind of like a little bit like a steady cam, you know, and it's just the newest, latest thing that we got from GorillaPod.
But when the panel came out last year, oh.
Kind of like oblivious.
Yeah. What are some of the new tools that you've integrated to help video editors and producers?
Well, there's visual search that we just launched. The reaction from editors and production people have been overwhelmingly positive. It's a tool where if you have a photo you want to upload into our system, there's a little tag in our browser. It'll find a similar image in photo or footage that can match your shot. And I thought it was really sort of advantageous even for location scouts. So if you're working out in the field and you're taking photos for your ed director and you're looking for an urban street, you can take a photo of the urban street, send it to the editor if they're working on a project, and you can find a piece of footage that matches your photo.
I love that. I think I saw that recently when I went in the search. I was like, oh, you can find similar images that look like that. I think that's super useful. I'm here with the Wipster team, Rollo and Julia. And if you guys don't know what Wipster is, it's a video review platform. So let's say you're working on a video edit, you need to send it to your client. You can upload it to Wipster, they can add comments, and bam, you can get your feedback right away. So they have some new features released, and I'm excited to speak with them about it. So Julia, what is new with Wipster? It's more than just video review, right?
Exactly. As you mentioned, you know, our heritage, so to speak, is in review and approval, and you know, we have fans around the world and customers using us for that. But now we've launched a new media asset library that allows you to actually store your files in Wipster with all of their history, all of their versions, everything. And also publish files directly to social media sites and other publishing platforms. And what's really great about that is we bring back the analytics in a way that anyone can understand, so that your creative teams and your publishing teams can see how your video is performing in real time.
And what we're seeing is that there's actually this huge shift in the market, that all companies are now starting to act like media companies, where they need to do tons of videos. For example, Sephora used to do something like 15 videos in a month. Now they're doing 3,000 a year. And this level of complexity, producing 3,000 videos a year, is a very big problem to solve. And everyone's looking for a platform to do it on. And so we built it. And now you can do your whole review and approval, tie it through to your edit suite with all the integrations, through to Slack, all the other storage places, and then keep it all in one place, have all the data, and then publish it anywhere you need it to go, and then know instantly whether it's working and whether you need to re-edit it, do it again. And it's a collaboration platform, so everyone in your company is involved in real time. It's pretty cool.
I'm here with Daniel Mccarthy, CEO of MusicBed, a music licensing company. Daniel, can you tell us a little bit about what MusicBed is, if people that are watching are interested in the music?
Yeah, we're a music licensing company for filmmakers. Really, for the last 6 years, MusicBed has been per project licensing. So you have a video, you need a song, you come and get a license specifically for the video. But we're going to be launching a membership platform where you can pay monthly or annually and get unlimited usage of all of the music within the roster.
I'm here at the NAB Show with Michael at the FujiFilm booth, and we're here to take a look at the new X-H1 Fuji 4K mirrorless camera. And I have never used FujiFilm before, so Michael's going to tell us a little bit about the new features that you may be interested in.
There is a misconception that the X-H1 is only about video. So all of our cameras are phenomenal still cameras. That's what we come from. And we have been evolving the video capabilities more and more. So what is cool about this one is it does both flavors of 4K. It does UHD 4K, but it also does true DCI Cinema 4K 4096. So it will record internally, which you will use regular SD cards or the high-speed UHS-2 cards, or externally, like here's an Atomos Ninja, so it's very compatible with all of that. But it will also do 120 frames per second in full HD. So that's something very, very cool, and it's quite beautiful.
That's great for if you want to slow it down for nice slow motion. And could you tell them, you know, would this be an excellent, let's say, vlogging camera for people that want to vlog?
Yeah, I mean, because it's very, very small. This happens to be our big 1655 2.8 lens, which is more than you would need for something like that, for like a simple vlogging situation. We have some really tiny little f2s that are light and portable. But you can do microphone in, of course. You can set audio levels. There's time code. You can do time code on it. Also, because we are a film company, we have these phenomenal film simulations. And what we're actually showing here is the Eterna Cinema, which is based on our actual movie stock that we had out for many, many years. So it absolutely, totally emulates a movie film look. So you don't have to grade it. It's ready to go.
That's really interesting. That's unique. I know that Canon has like Canon Log, but do you guys have any similar log formats?
Yes, we have Fuji Log. Yeah, you can record it internally or again externally as well. So if you do go external, we can also do proxy. So you can do 4K to the external recorder, and you can do 2K or HD to the SD card as a backup.
What is SoundStripe for people that are watching? I use SoundStripe Music, but if people are like, I've never heard of it, how do I get involved with it? How do I use it?
Yes, so it's a music licensing service, subscription-based, and we really try to take the barriers down, be as simple as possible. So we are $15 a month or $135 a year, and you can download whatever you want and use it on whatever you want. No broadcast restrictions, no legal mumbo jumbo. So we try to keep it as simple as possible, and we're really proud of the music. And I mean, literally, we were just a baby company. Like, we just had our second birthday. We were at NAB last year. Remember, you met Micah?
Yes.
And I know Micah actually mentioned, remember he mentioned that we would have a giraffe here?
Next year, we want a full booth here at NAB, and we want to bring a giraffe.
And you kind of, yeah, and you were like, where's the giraffe? And so anyway.
Oh, the giraffe is here.
We actually brought the giraffe. His name is Walter, and we brought him from Nashville, and this is for you.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I love this, and now I love you guys even more. I'm here with Sean at YOLO Live, and they have an awesome new product out called YoloBox that allows you to connect multiple cameras and stream to multiple platforms at once. So, Sean, can you tell us a little bit about your new product?
So this is what we call the YoloBox. It basically helps all kinds of cameras, like DJI drones, GoPros, or even DSLRs and other DVs, and send their images directly from the box to multiple platforms like Twitch, like Facebook, YouTube, and other RTMP supported platforms. And picture-in-picture features, like you select your source and you can switch from big screen to a small screen. It's great for gaming streamer. You're gonna love it, and you will keep watching Kelsey's program. We love it. Thank you.
Plug for Premier Gal.